I know that you know guys na ang hirap makakita ng tinted sunscreen na available dito sa Pilipinas na ang formulation hindi makapal, hindi oily, and ang coverage hindi mala foundation. Alam mo yung formulation na skin but better lang. And if you've been following me for a while guys, you all know na since na-recommend ko po itong product na to, itong Lux Organics na color adjusting na tinted sunscreen, wala na po akong na-recommend after this one. Kasi except sa hard to beat po ito, meron naman po akong na-try pero wala pong pumasa. Pero lately, I discovered another really good tinted sunscreen na okay sa ating weather dito sa Pilipinas and suitable for those na merong normal and combination skin like me. So ito yung product na na-discover ko nung nag-Jamboree si Vash. Kaya din, alam mo yung parang power yung pagre-recommend ko nito mga kapatids kasi na-test ko to na mainit ang weather, okay? So this is from the brand Face Republic. Ito yung kanilang full bloom na sun tint with SPF 50 PA+++. So this is a broad spectrum na klase na sunscreen and hybrid po ito. To be exact, chinek ko yung ingredients. Meron po itong 5 sunscreen filters. Ganito yung itsura ng mismong actual component guys, and this is best to those na merong fair to medium skin tone, okay? And ang content amount nito, 50 ml, ayan. This is made in Korea. This is dermatologically tested and fragrance-free mga kapatids. Sa ilang days ko po sa pag-test ng tinted sunscreen na to, for me, this is giving parang natural tone-up effect. And ito yung klaseng tinted sunscreen, guys, na magagamit ng lalaki kasi hindi siya intimidating unless kung ganito nyo po siya i-apply. So, meron po akong ipapakitang video kung saan nag-dispense po ako ng worth 2 fingers na product, tapos sinalpak ko sa aking face. Tama naman, 2 fingers na worth ng product, pero the way you apply this mga kapatids, hindi mo ibubuhos lahat sa face mo. Dapat gradual lang. So, mag-film naman po ako ng another B-roll guys, kung saan parang ida-dot mo lang, tapos i-blend mo ulit, and then, kung nakukulangan ka pa sa coverage, ayan, maglagay ka ulit ng product. So, hindi mo siya isasalpak mga kapatids ng, alam mo yung sobrang dami kasi maputi talaga siya guys. So, parang iisipin mo, hala, this is not for me. Pero, ang totoo, mali lang pala ang paggamit mo, okay? So, overall guys, if you're looking for a reliable, lightweight, fragrance-free, dermatologically tested, and alam mo yung tinted sunscreen na it's giving parang skin but better lang na finish, ito guys, I highly recommend this product.